Today's update highlights Nifty's weak start as US recession worries and a poor jobs report shakes sentiment. We also look at the potential for Fed rate cuts, falling oil prices, and key Q1 results. GIFT Nifty is pointing to a terrible start on rising recession fears in the US. Bears will aim to take over the negative baton from Friday's weak close at Wall Street, where Dow Jones Index sunk 611 points. Digging deeper, a weak July jobs report has sent US stocks tumbling on worries the Federal Reserve is behind the curve on rate cuts. The street is actually anxious and worried that the Federal Reserve waited too long to bring interest rates down from a 23-year high. Friday's surprisingly weak July jobs report only intensified those concerns. US non-farm payrolls expanded by 114,000 last month, or well below economists' forecast for the creation of 175,000 jobs. Now, here is the two silver linings this Monday morning. 1. Wall Street is concerned about slowing economic growth, but that said, the odds of a double rate cut in September just spiked. Fed funds futures now see a 71.5% chance of a 50 basis point cut at the FOMC's September meeting. 2. WTI crude futures fell below $74 per barrel on Friday, the lowest in 2 months. Long story short, expect volatility to be the hallmark of the day. Global cues are negative. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3310 crores, while DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2966 crores. Sentiments have turned negative risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX has shot higher towards 14.32 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.43 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.91. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP to 4718. Support, 24,500 to 24,400. Resistance, 24,800 to 25,000. Range, 24,400 to 24,800. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 51350. Support, 51,000 to 50,800. Resistance, 51,500 to 51,800. Range, 50,800 to 51,500. Bias, sideways to bearish. In last week's trade, Nifty snapped its 8-week winning stretch and, most importantly, ended on a dreadful note. The long and short of the week's trading was that the Nifty did surge past its attention-grabbing 25,000 record high, but the street seemed concerned amidst overbought technical conditions. Also, blame it on two negative catalysts. 1. No major positive surprises from corporate India Q1 June earnings. 2. Overbought technical conditions. Q1 results to trickle in today. Aarti Pharma, Bharti Airtel, Cera, Deepak Nitrite, HCC, ONGC, Taj GVK, Tata Chemical.